Welcome to Traverse City Guide. This is your pilot speaking, Justin. Before we take off, make sure to fasten your seatbelt because we're about to take you on a picturesque aerial tour of Traverse City, including the Traverse City State Hospital and the stunning West Grand Traverse Bay. From the hospital's historic architecture to the natural beauty of the bay's shoreline, you'll get a bird's eye view of the breathtaking scenery that makes Traverse City such a special place. Thank you for joining us on this aerial tour of Traverse City. At Traverse City Guide, we're dedicated to bringing you the best of this charming city, from local restaurants and travel tips to hidden gems and must-see landmarks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest content. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up to help us grow our community of Traverse City enthusiasts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time in the next video, where we'll uncover more of what makes Traverse City such an amazing place.